Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva here, and this week I was playing around again with my Polygel kit from Beetles. Apparently Beetles went bust, so I cannot link the kit that I had from them in the description box below, but I will try to find another kit that is very similar. So let's go ahead and I show you what I did. So once you get a kit, all you have to do is get your gels out, put them into the nail form. Here I'm using very little because I have my nails relatively short, so you do not need a super large amount. Then I'm coming in with my gel brush and a little bit of slip solution, and I'm patting the gel around in the form, flattening it out, cleaning my brush. And here I'm already coming in with the glitter flakes that I'm going to use for this set. Putting them in, not directly at the free edge of the nail, but a little bit below, because we will have some filing to do, although not a lot. And here I'm already trying out the nail and what it would look on my natural nail, and as you can see here I've used too little of the gel, so it's not really spreading up, creating a free edge, so I just took it off and I put a little bit more of the gel. And the good thing about polygel is that it does not cure at all unless you put it under the lamp and you have time to spread it, to play around with it. And in comparison to acrylic, it does not smell at all because you do not have to use monomer. So here I used a little bit of natural pink for the nail bed area. I come in with a bit more of the glitter flakes, spreading them out. And here you can see I'm trying the nail on a second time, and yes, the polygel is spreading up, creating a free edge of the nail. It's so easy to extend your nails with the form and the polygel. I strongly recommend that for anybody who wants to extend the natural nail in an easy and fun way. Here I'm going below with the gel brush, evening out the free edge. And then I put it in my nail lamp for 60 seconds, take it out, I check it, take off the form carefully. And there we go. Thumb extended. I had a little less of the glitter flakes, so I'm going to correct that later, but first I'm going to do that with all my other nails as well. So this is where we are in between. Here you see how I go down with the gel brush to even out the free edge, and all you have to do then is file your nails into shape, first with the hand file. Then I'm coming in with my E-file to have a smooth and flush transition between the natural nail and the polygel nail. And then I come in with some top coat once I'm happy. And what you cannot see here, as I was saying, I placed a bit more of the glitter flakes into the top coat together with some iridescent stars to match up the thumb with the rest of my nails. So this is where we are so far. I love the color shift in my nails. You can see the iridescent stars and the flakes. And my thumb fell a bit short, so this is what it looks like after I placed more of the stars and the glitter flakes into the thumb. And I think everything matches quite nicely. You can see here in my pinky the shift between the iridescent stars and the color flakes. And I think the thumb matches perfectly. I love the transition between my natural nail and the polygel. Hope you liked the video and see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.